Top Nature and Wildlife Documentaries, 2025. 1. Pangolin. Kulu's Journey, Netflix, April 2025. A touching documentary from South Africa following a rescued baby pangolin and the people helping it return to the wild. Directed by Oscar-winner Pippa Ehrlich. 2. Sea Lions of the Galápagos, Disney+, April 22, 2025. Narrated by Brendan Fraser, this Disneynature film follows a playful sea lion pup exploring the rich biodiversity of the Galápagos Islands. Ocean with David Attenborough, NatGeo, Disney+, June 7–8, 2025. The legendary David Attenborough, at age 99, returns with a cinematic exploration of marine ecosystems, threats to ocean life, and signs of recovery. 4. Underdogs, NatGeo, June 15, 2025. Narrated by Ryan Reynolds, this 5-episode series highlights the world's most overlooked animals and the clever ways they survive. 5. Shark Whisperer, Netflix, July 4 and July 30, 2025. Follows free diver Ocean Ramsey as she swims with great white sharks without cages, exploring shark conservation and controversy. 6. The Python Hunt, premiered at South by Southwest 2025. A real-life documentary on an annual Burmese python removal contest in the Florida Everglades, showing the impact of invasive species on local ecosystems. 7. A New Kind of Wilderness, Norway, Sundance winner, 2025. A moving film about a family living off-grid in rural Norway after a tragic loss, trying to find harmony with nature and each other. 8. Only on Earth, Spain, Denmark, Berlin Film Festival, 2025. Explores life and wildlife resilience in southern Galicia, a region frequently devastated by wildfires. 9. Every Little Thing, USA, March 2025. A gentle documentary about a woman in Los Angeles who cares for injured hummingbirds, showing how small acts of kindness can have big impacts on wildlife. 10. Living with Border Security, India-Pak Border, YouTube, 2025. A unique story of a former BSF officer who documents wildlife thriving near the India-Pakistan border, including blackbucks and desert foxes. Where to watch? Netflix, Pangolin, Kulu's Journey, Shark Whisperer. Disney+, via NatGeo, Sea Lions of the Galápagos, Ocean with David Attenborough, Underdogs. YouTube, Living with Border Security. Film festivals or streaming platforms. The Python Hunt, A New Kind of Wilderness, only on Earth.